In this video, I will show you how to use assignment operators in our programs. So before explaining, just I will show you one document. These are the different types of assignment operators. If you see the first operator, A is equals to A plus B, means after performing the addition between these two, the resultant value is again stored on the left operator, that is called A. After performing the subtraction operation between these two, A minus B, again the result is stored on the left operand A. After performing the product between two numbers A star B, the result is again stored on the left operand, that is A. After applying the division operation between two variables, again the result is stored on the left operand or the numerator, that is called A. So in all these cases, if you observe, the result is stored on the left side operand or left operand. Then we can rewrite the same statements like this. A is equals to A plus B can be rewritten as A plus equals to B. This plus is equals to B is called as assignment operator, addition assignment operator. I will show you that. This is addition assignment operator. A is equals to A minus B is rewritten as A minus is equals to B. This minus is equals to is called as assignment operator. A is equals to A star B, A star B, A star equals to B. This statement can be replaced by A star is equals to B. A is equals to A division B can be replaced as division equal. So this plus equal, minus equal, star equal, division equal are called as assignment operators. Addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, and division assignment. So when this can be possible, when the result is stored in the left hand operator, then only we can follow this notation. Otherwise, it is not helpful. So whenever we are storing the result on the left operand, then only it will be, we can use this kind of notation in place of this. Now I will show you how to use these operators in our C programs. Here open the editor first and create a new source file. So first include the list of header files that are required. So only here we need only one header file, that is our regular header file called stdio.h. After that, begin the main method, and here I'm going to perform addition between two numbers, subtraction between the same two numbers, multiplication, division. So I need how many variables? So I need A and B. I want to read them from the user. So before reading, I want to provide a message to the end user. Enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. Now ends with semicolon. Now we want to collect the inputs. How do we collect the inputs from the user? Using the scanf function. And here we declare the variables of type integer. So we have to use format specifiers %d, where our target is reading two numbers. So I am passing two format specifiers for this one. What is my first input value? Whatever the value that I assign at runtime, the first value is assigned to variable A. The next value is assigned to variable B. So this is the meaning of this statement. Scanf of ampersand A ampersand B means whatever the value that is entered by the user, first input value that is stored in A, the second input value is stored in B. Next. So now our inputs are ready. So now we are going to perform the operations. You see, A is equals to A minus B. That is our first target operation. Once our result is ready, immediately we have to print it. We have to print the result. So only one variable value we are going to print, that I am going to provide here. Like I will provide addition. Addition result is %d, where the value is stored in the variable A. As I told you that if the resultant value is stored in the left operand, then we can use this one. So A is equals to A minus B. So A is equals to A minus B can be rewritten as A minus is equals to B. So instead of writing this lengthy statement, we can substitute like this. A minus is equals to B. A minus, sorry, A minus is equals to B, or Our first operation is addition, no? So we can use this one. A plus is equals to B. So when we are using plus, we should mention here addition. So A is equals to A plus B can be rewritten as A plus is equals to B. If you have a doubt, just you can check it here. A is equals to A plus B can be written as A plus is equals to B, like this. Now first operation is completed. Now what I'm going to do, I want to perform the remaining three operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So instead of typing, just I'm copying these two statements. I'm maintaining some space between one operation to the other operation. For the readability purpose, I am maintaining. Yeah. Just I'm separating one operation results with the other. Now addition part is completed. The next one is subtraction. So change here A minus and here subtraction. Subtraction. Next one multiplication. Change here multiplication. Multiplication. Next one, the last operation is division. So change here it is division. Division. So the result of division is stored in variable A only. Multiplication result is stored in variable A only. Subtraction result is also stored in variable A only. So that's why in all the cases we are displaying the result of A. Now we need to save this program with some valid name. So already I created a directory with the name CLab. In that I'm going to save. This is my first demo program about assignment operators. So assignment operators demo1.c. Demo1.c. Save this. Once we save this one, we need to check uh, compilation related content. So here I can click on this button for compilation, or you can press also F9 button in your keyboard for compilation. See, there are no errors. Errors are zero. Even warnings also zero. That means I compiled, I edited, I composed my program without any syntax errors. So syntax point of view, my program is correct. Now I want to check it execution part of the program. So when I run this program, I am supposed to get two numbers. I am supposed to enter two numbers. One is for A, another is for B. You can see here. Enter two numbers. Suppose I entered 20 and I entered another number 10. Now 20, what is the first operation we are performing in our program? Addition. So A is equals to A plus B means 20 plus 10, that becomes 30. So we are expecting 30. The first. See, if you see, because I'm not maintaining slash n operator in our program. I'm not using slash n escape sequence character in my program. That is the reason all the results are displayed in a single line. So it's not looking good. So I will separate them by specifying the slash n operator after each output. After displaying the result of addition, I am applying new line. After displaying the subtraction operation, I applied new line. After displaying the multiplication result, applied new line. After division, there are no further results, so no need to keep slash n because there is no further results. There is no use of separation also. Here also I am going to apply new line. So once we made any changes, immediately we have to save that program and compile. Now run the program. Now you can see the cursor is blinked in the next slide. First, the cursor is blinking for some input value. How the users note what type of input is need to be passed for this program, because on the top we mentioned that enter two numbers. So user will enter 20 and 10 like this. Two numbers means only two inputs. Then press the enter button. Automatically remaining results will be displayed. What are the remaining results? Addition. Addition of 20 and 10 is 30. Now this 30 is held by which variable? A, because we mentioned that A plus is equals to B means the result is stored in A. Now what is the latest value of A? Latest value of A is 30. What about subtraction? A is equals to A minus B. So now the latest value of A is 30 and B value is still 10 only. So 30 minus 10 becomes 20. Now what is our, this 20 is stored in which variable? Again on variable A. Now the value of variable A is 20. Now in case of multiplication, A multiply B. A multiply B means A value is 20, B value is 10. That becomes 200. Now this 200 is stored in which variable? Variable A. That means the latest value that is holded by variable A is 200. If you observe, initially the a value is 20, but later on we keep on done the changes on the same variable a different times. At one time you are applying addition, at another time you are applying subtraction, in another case you are applying multiplication, division, like that. So each time again that affects on the original value of the variable a. Now the latest value of a is 200, b value is 10. So 200 division 10 means 10 20 is a 200. So result is 20. In case of division operator, it returns the quotient. So like this, we can use assignment operators in our program. So if you see here, just I started including the header file, beginning the main method. According to my program, I need two input variables of integer type. So I declare two variables. Here I am not declaring the third variable. Why? Because previously to store our result, we are using third variable C or D, E, F, like that. But in this, I'm going to demonstrate about the assignment operators importance. Without using the third variable, if you want to store the result in one of the input variable, so that is always the left side variable, so we can use the assignment operator. So plus is equals to is one assignment operator, minus is equals to is subtraction assignment operator, star equals to is multiplication, division is equals to is division assignment operator. Using these operators, we are applying the operations as well as we are displaying the results.